let's look at this. It says the first term of an AP is 3 and the fifth term is 9. Find the number of terms in the progression if the sum is 81. The first term, which is this, also equal to A, is 3. The fifth term, which is A plus 5 minus 1, D, is equal to 9. Find the number of terms in the progression if the sum of those terms is 81. You have terms. When you add them together, you have 81. Okay? So we are asking, or the question is asking you to find the n from the sum equation. So the first thing we need to do first is to first of all find D, because we know A. From here now, we know that this is 4D equals to 9. So we know A to be what? To be 3. So 4D is equal to 9 minus 3. 4D is equals to, here we have 6. Divide both sides by 4. You agree with me that D is equals to 2 here is 2, 2 here is 3. 3 over 2. Okay? So we have D now. We also have A. Okay? Now that we know this, we can now evoke this formula that says this over 2, 2A plus n minus 1, D. Now, we are asked to find n. We know the sum to be 81. We don't know n. We know A to be 3. We don't know n. We also know D to be 3 over 2. Okay? So all we need to do now is to what? To work on this. No issue. Therefore, we can come here straight to say n over 2, 6 plus 3 over 2n minus 3 over 2. Okay? We can continue with this, or we multiply both sides by 2. This by 2, this by 2, so that this and this will cancel to have this. This will be 162. We can work these two out. That is 6 over 1 minus 3 over 2. That is 12 minus 3 equals to 9 over 2. So this equals to n 9 over 2 plus 3 over 2n. We work this out to have 9n over 2 plus 3 over 2n squared, 162. We multiply throughout by 2. That's 162 multiplied by 2 equals to 9n over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 over 2n squared multiplied by 2. Okay? You agree with me? This and this will cancel. We have 9n plus 3n squared. You agree with me? This is 3 to 4. Okay? Now we can rearrange everything to have 3n squared plus 9n. Move this to this side to have minus 3 to 4 equal to 0. Okay? So with this now, we can divide throughout by 3. Okay? And you agree with me? This will give us n squared plus 3n minus 108 equals to 0. If you want to do this quadratic equation, you can use 12 and 9. So you can see in this place, 12 and 9. 12 and 9. Here, n. Then to have this now, you agree with me, you're going to put minus 9 here, which is n minus 9, n plus 12 equals to 0. You agree with me, this is n equals to 9 or n equals to minus 12. There is no way we can have minus 12th term. No. Terms are not in negative. They are always positive. The only possible answer is this n equals to 9. Okay? So according to the question, we are asked to find the number of terms. It means, therefore, the number of terms is 9 terms. 9 terms. Hope this explanation is understood. Thank you for viewing.